Hey, what's up everyone, StarShot123 here, and today I'm going to be showing you my puppy Cinnamon and my dog Max. Say hi to the camera, Cinnamon. Cinnamon. She absolutely loves the camera. Hi, Cinnamon. Cinnamon, say hi to the audience. Come on, Cinnamon, say hi to the audience. You're silly. Come on, say hi. She doesn't really know what she's doing. And here's my puppy Max. Hey, back, no. They really love to see stars. Hey, stop. Alright, well, moving on. This is my cat Jerry. You saw a video of him from drinking from the sink earlier. Sorry, those are my dogs that like wrestling with each other. See them? Oh. And I'm going to try to find Tom if I can. Yeah, I just have two cats named Tom and Jerry. They're both very cute. This is Tom's up here. Oh, yes, he is. Meet my cat Tom. Here he is, guys. He loves everyone. It's very lovable, as long as you give him a good pet every time. See? See him? He loves everyone. Okay, that's all for everyone. That's all for YouTube today. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye-bye.